How to show your Instagram account in suggestions. First, open a web browser on your mobile device. In the search bar, type Instagram. At the top right corner, you will see three dots option. Tap on it. From the options, select desktop site. From now, the browser interface will look like desktop version. You can see the Instagram website link here. Tap and hold on the link. Then tap on open in new tab. Tap on the tab icon to switch the tab. Select the new tab. Be careful in this page. Don't tap on open Instagram. Instead, tap on login here. Now log in your Instagram account. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom. Then tap on edit profile. Scroll down a little, then you'll see the account suggestion options. Turn this toggle on if it is turned off. Then tap on the submit button at the bottom. This feature is not available in mobile app version. And that's it. This is how you can show your Instagram account in suggestions.